Today we will see the project title is the operation of the quasi test application by using Django framework. Uh, this project is under the Python based web application. Then we have three modules in this project. One module is admin, then another module is teacher, then another module is student. Okay, we will see how to run this project, then how to how to use this project. So we'll go to project directory. Just you copy this project directory path, then open anaconda prompt. So anaconda prompt. Type this line. So cd space copied path. So Arcot. Then type this lines. Python manage.py run server. This is the running command for this project. So you can see the one link like http some text. So just copy this link, then paste on it your browser. Okay, this is a project UI like end user UI. This one is the end user UI. Here we can see three modules like teacher, student, and admin. First, first we will go to admin module. So admin one sorry, then login. Sorry, please admin yes. So there is the admin dashboard. Okay, you can see the dashboard button and teachers, students, total course and questions. Then total students count. Then total teachers count. Total courses count. Then total questions count. So admin can access entirely in this project. Okay. Um, First, I click the teachers button. So you can see total teachers count, then total pending teachers count, then total salary for the teachers. Then we will see the student uh, button. Then we can see the total students and students mark. Total students. Then click the total students like Rahul, Ram, Rahul. Then we will go to courses. Admin can add the course and view the course. Okay, so admin can already I told admin can access entirely in this project. Then questions. We can see the add questions and view questions. So add questions. Then after that we will go to teachers login. So you can create account, then already exist account you have, then directly go to login. Like from then password login. Okay. There is a teacher dashboard. So here we can see the total students and total exams and total questions. So um, teachers can add the exams, like add the courses. Okay. Then view the exam. After that, teachers will add the questions. Teachers can add the multiple questions in this project. Okay. Then after that we will go to the student dashboard. login. Login. So, yes, sorry. Toggle. Yes, that is the student dashboard. Here we can see the total exams available, then total questions in this exam. So we can go to exam. So click the Python examination code. There is a exam details here. Here we have some rules like for this project. Sorry, for this examination. So let's start. This is the Python based exam. We can give it to the window some then Python. Okay. Okay, send. So after that, you can see the your total marks and attempts and examination time. Okay. So log out. Okay. There is a there is the end user page. Thank you for watching.